Alright, so we just got to, where are we?
Solna Centrum.
And we have just rocked up to one of the artworks and it looks awesome.
It's red.
Look at it. It's wicked. It's so red. I'll touch it. Oh wow. It's weird. It's very painted. Alright, so where are we going? Straight down now?
Yeah.
Down into hell?
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Supposedly it continues down.
It does, it goes the whole way down. I've always wanted to do this. Do you feel like you're going down into the descent of hell? Oh no, I'm cursed with you. It's super cool.
Oh, there's green there. Maybe I'm saved.
You're saved! This is awesome. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, there's a green forest here.
Yeah, it's hell coming over. That's what this one is. Oh, that is so cool. This is super cool. Which one? Alright, let's have a look at this one and then we'll go to the next one. It's super. There's a moose! This is awesome. Oh wow. This is wicked.
Little people. Oh, it goes the whole way.
It goes the whole way down. Wow, that's cool.
This was the one you wanted to see.
Yeah, this is one of the main 2 or 3 I wanted to always see. North's that way, south's that way. This is so cool. Oh wow, it's amazing. That's super cool. This is awesome. What do you think, little bear?
I like it.
I think it's great. Always wanted to do this. I think it's cool. Alright. Next one and then left. It's super cool. It's so red. I wonder how long it took to paint. It's wicked.
Babe, turn around.
Photo time.
Okay.
It's super cool. This is wicked. Check out, they've got an openage for the truck.
See how they're moving.
It's super cool. Always wanted to see this one. This one's wicked.
Look, star. The moon behind the tree.
Oh yeah.
Look, little
This is
bats
super
gathering.
cool.
Look at the broom flying.
Oh wow. Here's the fire. And this is our one.
Yeah.
That was wicked.
It's perfect timing.
What'd you think, little bear?
I think it's amazing.
I think it's awesome.
Look, there's the big moon and the plane.
Big mood. This is so cool. It was This is awesome. Thanks, Mickey. Hey, door.
You want the big camera out now?
Yeah. Hey, door.
Hey, door.
Hey, door. Woo! All right, we're getting off at the blue one now. Wow, this one is wicked. Wow, that's cool. Hey, hey. Yo, it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I like it.
It matches the train.
Let's walk that one.
All right. What do you reckon, Bear? I reckon it's really cool. It's really funky. It's very busy.
Really nice.
It's not. The other one was super quiet. This one's full busy.
Yeah.
But it's blue. Oh, we're more in the city.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is
cool.
the city.
Well, there you
This
go.
is the central.
Centrum.
Look at this. It's beautiful.
Wicked. I think it's great. It reminds me of down another one, or I'm happy.
Let's go.
I think it's cool. Where's Heinzie? We still got
Behind us.
Heinzie.
Little tail.
Little tail. Are you my little tail?
Doing follow John.
Follow John. It's cool. I think it's nice. It's not as arty as the other one. The other one was very red. This is nice. Not as cool as you though.
I think it's gorgeous.
I think you're gorgeous. Alright, so where to next?
We're gonna jump on the same one. that
Same line and then back
go
one more
to the
station?
One more station.
What's the other station meant to be?
I can't remember, but it's one of the good ones. Remember where we walked down and tried to see some?
Nope. But I'll figure it out. Look at it.
It's all
Look at it. It's wicked.
Come
Where's Heinzie? Come in, Heinzie. It's super cool. It's very different. I'm gonna go up the escalator and back down. Wow, it's cool. It's like a travelator. That's seriously cool. Very awesome. Oh, people are running. It's got a lot of
Was it different pattern up
just people. It's like silhouettes of people up there.
there? Oh yeah. Let's
It's-
see how long till
it's-
the next one. Maybe we can go up to.
Pretty cool.
We have 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Yeah, plenty of time. Up you go. Hey, hey. Wow, this side's empty. You go on the other side and it's packed. This side has almost no one on it. This is amazing. This is pretty cool. I've waited my whole life to come to this station. It's cool. Nope, she gone. Oh, there's more downstairs. Comes the train. I wonder if Jerabera and her papa's gonna make it. Are you gonna make it? Are you gonna make it? They made it. Oh, in we go. Is this priority seating? We'll sit here. Wow, I was just saying that the other side is completely empty. Oh, next one. The other one was completely empty, and this one's, the other one was chock-a-block, this one's empty.
Yeah.
Right, off we go, next one. Hey, hey.
Come on, boys.
Alright, so we're here at one of the stations, and Sarah wants to take a picture of us.
Yeah.
It's really nice. What's this one called?
Let's take a look.
It's very nice. Look at all the sculptures. It's amazing. Alright, let's wander around, have a look around.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the water. That's cool.
You don't want to walk all the way down there.
Let's go to the next one. Next one, and then we'll come back. The rock is awesome.
It looks very nice.
It looks very
looks like water.
weathered.
Yeah. I like the floor. And it's green roof. Yeah.
I think it's pretty
Look,
cool.
it looks like moss there.
Fake moss.
Do you think it's
More fake moss.
Yeah.
I think it's great. Look at all the statues, the people, the ladies.
Yeah.
What do you think, little bear?
Very artsy. Maybe it's not fake.
Nah. No, you reckon?
It's real. Look at the water down there too.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, no, I don't want to touch it. But it looks real.
Yeah, they probably left it because they were like, oh yeah,
Looks
it
good.
looks great. Let's keep it. Look how green it is on the roof. Well, that's fake moss.
I love the green, red, white theme.
That's what you look like in the morning.
Thank you.
What? It's true.
Oh, look, there's a fontaine up there.
You gonna drink it?
No.
Why not? Oh no,
Oh, here comes you, baby.
This is what you look like in the morning.
Like an ugly child.
Coffee. Coffee. That's how I feel nearly every morning. I love these, north-south.
Yeah.
Makes you really, like, understand
There's
where
streets
you
on
are.
this side too.
Look how green it is down there. Oh, it really is the end of the line.
Yeah.
Wait, there is nothing further now.
No. This is one of the end stations.
I'm actually glad we walked down this end. Look at this.
Yeah. There's a sound effect here too.
This is cool. X marks the spot.
Look, they polished
Oh, they polished the rock.
they polished the mountain.
See? It's the actual mountain.
Stand there with the X, take it from with the X.
X marks the spot.
Do we want to go there and then up that one, or?
Anywhere you want. Anyway. I'll go anywhere. This is awesome. Look at the big red statue.
We're peeking down. Baby.
Oh, are we at Central?
It's next to Central.
Oh, this is where we're.
This is where you are.
Look at all the ruins. Woo. What do you think, little bear?
Good. Very good.
It's so cool.
See, I think we were peeking down this one.
I think so too. Wow, it's huge. All right, let's.
Are we going up?
Let's-
Here, or
let's-
Should we try the other end?
I thought we'd go at this end. All right. First stage of our Tiabana adventure.
You would-
Update. Technical
that's-
difficulties. We're
that's
trying to find out where we are.
No.
But it's
So
cold.
we're just walking. Well,
There
I'm
is
just
one
walking
closer,
around,
but that's
trying to
not-
look. Oh, I'll go to any. But yeah,
We're
This is
16
where we-
minutes away from the one we worked the first night.
done. Let's go there.
Or 13.
Yeah, let's go there. Vapianos, here we go. Lead onwards. Ready, Heinzie?
Yeah,
T,
yeah,
3,
we're
2.
ready.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. What's your favourite thing about the trip, Heinzie?
It's spending time with you.
He loves us, Sarah. He loves me more though. You smell. Oh, I know where we are now.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, look at that ice skating ring.
Oh, yeah. Let's cross.
This is where we walked through when we were coming back from the Vasa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know exactly where we are, mate. I'm a genius some
There you
days.
have a big,
Some days I'm a
big
genius.
tree.
They're a massive tree, but this thing. Look at this ice skating ring.
Yeah, that's the
Not
ice
particularly.
skating ring, yeah.
My God, look at the lights here. Wow, it's pretty. Look at that. That's nice. That's very nice. Alright, so onwards and upwards to Vapiano.
Better double
Hey,
check I'm
dog.
walking the right way.